Welcome to Technia TV. I, Kinika Saini, faculty of BBA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on job enlargement. So what do you mean by job enlargement? It is a job design technique in which the number of tasks associated with a job is increased to add greater variety to activities, thus reducing monotony. Job enlargement is considered a horizontal restructuring method in which the job is enlarged by adding related tasks. The purpose behind the job enlargement is to increase the employee flexibility and reduce the monotony that occurs gradually over a period of time. Often, the employees are not required to get the training for the task related activities because he is already aware of that and is doing for quite some time. But however, if the activity added is new for an employee and is not related to his existing job nature, then a proper training should be given to him in order to acquaint himself with the new job conditions. Next is benefits of job enlargement. The major benefits of job enlargement are first, reduced monotony. Howsoever interesting the job may appear in the beginning, sooner or later, people complain of boredom and monotony. Job enlargement, if planned carefully, can help reduce boredom and make it more satisfying and fulfilling for the employees. Second is increased work flexibility. There is an addition to the number of tasks an individual performs. There is thus an increased scope of carrying out tasks that are versatile and yet very familiar in certain aspects. Third, no skills training required. Since the individual has already been performing the task in the past, there is no great requirement for imparting of new skills. However, people and time management interventions may be required. The job thus gets more motivational for the one performing it. Next is disadvantages of job enlargement. First, job enlargement tends to be a costly affair. Workers may require additional training for their enlarged jobs. Moreover, if job enlargement involves breaking up of existing production line of work system and redesigning a new system and training employees for it, the costs will be substantially great. Second, productivity may fall in the short run due to the introduction of the new system. Third, employee unions often argue for increased pay because of the increased workload. And last is some jobs may still be the routine and boring even after enlargement. So I hope you understood what job enlargement is all about. For more videos like this, keep sharing and keep watching Technia TV. Thank you.